All right, here is an overview of your project for today. There are two main parts to it, and you will probably use Google for the first part, and then kind of the second part is going to be based on your thoughts and opinions. So in this project, you're going to explore different ways people pay for goods and services, decide when each payment method is the best choice, and then research common payment options. So this first part is where you'll be kind of using Google for each of our different payment methods. You will tell me what it is and how it works, and then pros and cons of kind of that payment method. And so we have cash, check, debit card, person-to-person payments. Here's some examples. And then prepaid cards. So you have the same three questions for each of those different types of payments. Then the second part is looking at some kind of real life scenarios. So you will be given a scenario. You're going to tell me what the best payment method is. So it needs to be one of the 5 from up above. Explain why you feel it's the best option. And then explain why another payment method would not be the best choice. Like if you say, I'm going to use my debit card, maybe you're going to say why I would not use cash. For this one, make sure you are using complete sentences, and then these are very much real world. So, maybe thinking of you personally, why you would or would not use something. So, the first scenario deals with school lunch, and then I kind of explain it just a little bit more. You are buying lunch at school. You're going to tell me what would I use, why it's the best, what option would not, so on. So you have 2, 3, 4, 5 total scenarios. So, like I said, part 1, you're kind of using your Google skills, and part 2, you're kind of using your own personal reasoning for each of those situations.